feeling kind of like sad today, so I figured I'm gonna go for a walk jog. We'll see if I feel like jogging, but I'm definitely gonna go for a walk and get a mile in. So let's go. I just beat my personal record by almost a minute. 19 minutes, 36 seconds. I finished my mile. I lost count of how many times I jogged, but I did shorter increments than last time because I'm having really bad palpitations today. So I didn't want to get too dizzy or anything. But holy crap. You can see I'm glistening. I gotta cool down and eventually hop in the shower, but man, that felt so good. I really needed to get out there and exercise. That made all the difference. Nothing like some good jams, a bright sunny day, and fresh air to get your mind clear. And a high heart rate. Whew. Alright guys, see you in the next clip. One thing I struggle with at the end of my workout, like after I hit my mile, because right now I'm working on like crushing my mile times. But once I hit that mile, I force myself to slow down to lower my heart rate before I completely stop. I have such a hard time slowing down. Like, my feet just want to go, go, go. How the hell do you force yourself to walk slow after, like, a fast walk jog for, like, 20 minutes? Holy crap, it's difficult. If you got any tips, let me know below. There is nothing like a nice hot shower after a morning workout. That felt so good, and now I just have to do therapy, and then I have to run and go get meds. And I want to go pick up a pair of slippers. Kyle helped me a little bit, but I just finished raking our backyard. I left them sit as long as I could, which I won't be doing next year because I found out they are picking up leaves. Yup. Holy crap. All the exercise today, I guess, but I am done. I'm gonna go put these back. I'm gonna go inside and drink some water because I am thirsty as hell. Look at that. Someone started to eat our pumpkin. Cute.
Okay.
We're good? We're good? Oh
yeah.
my god, what if it's gonna bite? Okay.
Bite you?
Not bite me, but come down. Oh god. Okay. Oh, I think I got it! I got it! And left its guts on the ceiling. But that's a problem for Kyle. Not a problem for me.
Right there, guys.
Okay, so I'm really whooped today because of everything I've done. So I have a pretty simple to-do list, which is just rake leaves, do the dishes, and work out. So all I have left to do is dishes. I do need to mark off rake leaves and work out. But this is my spread so far for this week. It's just today, but it's cute. I like squad ghouls. I thought that was really cute. See how it's kind of shimmery? I know we're past October, but I really like that one. Yeah. All right, let's get this last chore done. It's dishes. It's a huge mess in my kitchen. I very much acknowledge that, but I am so sore between my run walk, my jog walk, my walk jog, and raking leaves. Dude, I am whooped. So after this, all I want to do is sit down and play some Sims. So, and I don't have to cook dinner tonight. I don't have anything serious to do. So we're going to set you up on this counter right here. We're gonna get going. Get these dishes started because we're like out of clean dishes because I've been putting it off. I don't like doing chores on the weekend when I work. I don't mind doing it on the other days, except when I'm exhausted like I am today. So we'll open this, get us a little more light, turn this light on, and let's get to. Dishes are done. My counters are still a mess, but I don't care. I don't care. I'm exhausted. And I just want to sit and play some Sims. So I might actually get my stuff set up to record, but maybe not. I don't know. I'm just so whooped. But this might be all I film for today. So I finished what I needed to do today. I'm just gonna chill out the rest of the day, and if you see me again today on Monday, then you see me again today on Monday. Okay? Capiche. Hi. You bathing? What? You cute. Ain't it good? Yeah. Went for a second walk tonight with Sadie, and oh my god, dude. Guys, my body is so whooped. I'm so tired and sore. Oh my god, I didn't film any of it. I was actually looking to see if I could see any of the meteor shower. I didn't see any. So I think that's gonna about do it for tonight. I did a lot today and I'm pretty whooped. So good morning, happy Tuesday. I had therapy today, which was good. Good session. I really didn't have anything serious to talk about. Just talked about a lot of good stuff for the most part. I'm very sore today after yesterday's adventures. I went on a second walk last night looking for some meteors, but didn't see any. I hit 10,000 steps yesterday, but I'm whooped. Today we're gonna go to Walmart, probably grab something for me to make for dinner, and then which is just gonna be something simple. I don't want anything crazy. And then I'm gonna grab a new pair of slippers because mine are currently just falling apart and I can't live without slippers. So I'm gonna see if they still have those really cute ones that I showed off in my last vlog last week with Sadie. I think it was in last week's vlog. Anyway, yeah. And then I think that's it. So I guess you can come with me. It is such a cold and gross wet day. My pants got really wet. There's a puddle right outside the door here. My throat hurts. I don't like it. Walmart. Every time Sadie and I go in here and we smell. Hello! I have a little haul for you here. Mostly groceries, but we are gonna make a chicken Alfredo for dinner, and we prefer the frozen nuggies. So put these away. Got some lighters. Aren't they cute? This one and this one are my favorite. These two.
This one's you're taking?
Yep. This to go along with our fettuccine Alfredo. Toilet bowl cleaner. Couple plug-ins. Smell these. Kyle's got a sensitive butt.
I like it clean, not sensitive.
Nah, he just spoiled himself with the wipes that we had for like ever. We got 2 of the garlic Alfredo Bertolli. And 1 creamy basil. Fettuccine Alfredo, 2 of them. Cookies and cream ice cream. Butter pecan ice cream.
Yo.
2 air fresheners. This one is Serene Snowfall and Cuddle Weather. I didn't smell them at the store, but they sounded like they smelled good. And last but not least, a new pair of slippers for me. They're not the ones that I went in to get, but I'm really happy with them. They're booties. They're cute. That's it. Oh, I'm like, ooh. Okay, so as you can see, hold on, let me get you out there a little better. I need to clean. I have a headache. I don't feel like cleaning, but it needs done. So let's time lapse this shit. All right, I'm holding on to my tripod because it wants to fall. So that sucks. All right, I got the kitchen counters cleaned, the sink cleaned, all the dishes that I could get into the dishwasher are in. Okay. Okay. On to the next thing. Thankfully on the hardwood it seems to be holding okay. Not the hardwood, but the laminate flooring. I gotta do something with this mess and get dishes going, or dishes laundry, so let's go. Alright, I got a lot accomplished in that time lapse. I'm gonna let the floor dry and we'll be back when I have to put it all away. I'm hot. I'm gonna go chill for a minute. Alright, I'm back in the kitchen to put everything away, so let's do that. Alright, I'm pretty happy with what I've accomplished so far. I'm gonna sit and just kind of take a break. I'm gonna watch some Pulpy react to Rosie, and I'm gonna eat a bag of chips because I'm starting to feel a little shaky. Alright, so I still have, that's in my face. I still have to vacuum and clean the living room. Oh my god, and that's pretty much it. I mean, folding laundry and all that, but yeah, so I feel pretty good. I am gonna cook dinner and you all will get to see that. I'm gonna do a little cooking segment. My video last week where I made the grilled cheese weenies or whatever did really well, so yeah. Let's see how the chicken finger Alfredo goes. Okay, I'll see you soon. All right, everyone, we're gonna start dinner. So first we're gonna get out the chicken tenders. Chicken fries. All right, so. The preferred method is an air fryer. Well, ours died. 450 degrees. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put these on cookie sheet. Alright, we're gonna set those to the side in just a second. These are off to the side. Now I gotta get a pot to boil water in. Keep an eye on my chicky fries. This is the pot we got, so it's what we gotta work with. Hopefully it's enough for the noodles at least. And we're gonna put it on high to get it boiling. All right, now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to this water. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. And now we wait for the oven to preheat. We're at currently 195 degrees. and for the water to boil, which it is not yet. I'll see you in a few. While I am waiting for the water to boil and the oven to preheat, it is time to switch my laundry from the washer to the dryer. So let's do that. Whoop, almost fell over there. All right, so that's done. My bedroom really needs to be touched. 4:45. Walked right in as that was ready, so you can watch me from afar. Put them in. Whoa. Here we go. Oven light on. Hey Ziggy, set a reminder for 14 minutes.
What's the reminder for?
Chicken fingers.
Okay, I'll remind you in 14 minutes.
Hold on, we'll take a look here. What we're cooking. Yum! Okay, so I am going to tackle the living room at some point. Sorry, it's Kyle's area. But I am going to, this is also his stuff. I will tackle this soon. It needs it, I know. Okay. I'm also going to show you the bedroom because that also needs to be tackled. Look at that! Pause game. I mean, it's bad. Yeah. We'll take care of it. And laundry. Oh. All right, let's see how our water's doing. Ooh, look at that. She bowling. She bowling. Look at that. She bowling. She bowling. She bowling. All right, so I can almost put the noodles in. Let me grab them. So I'm gonna have to cook only half of these at once. Hey Ziggy, set a reminder for 11 minutes for noodles.
Okay, I'll remind you in 11 minutes.
Gotta get out our strainer. We will return to the noodles and the meat soon. Over here, I'm just getting ready because I'm gonna cut up those chicken tenders into little bits to put into the Alfredo. I'm awful warm. I think I need to put my hair up. I'm gonna go do that. That's his bad though. I'm gonna take my slippers off because I'm really warm and these things are toasty, which is great. That's how I want them, but whew. I don't know what happened, but this ear is a little sore. It was really hard to get my saddle in, and my ears used to be bigger than this, and because my one silicone like hole, one of them ripped, so I put these in, and now my ears have shrunk down a size, so that sucks. And now this one's like really tender and like tight, so I don't know what happened. It just sucks. Yep, let's go check on the noodles. Oh, have you guys seen this pillow I made? It's probably a little dusty, but isn't that cute as hell? I love it so much. I really do. Yeah, they're cooking and they're not sticking. That's good. That's what we want. Let's check on the chicken tendies. Yum. You can see them cooking away. Cook it up, cook it up. Cook it up, cook it up. Cook it up, 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 cook it up. I'm getting thirsty. I'm gonna see if my water is super cold or maybe even icy that's in the freezer. Oh, it did one of these numbers. Okay, I'm gonna put another one in there because I'm gonna drink this probably real fast. I'm gonna start warming up the sauce in here. Water to get the rest of that up.
Tiffany, here is your reminder. Chicken fingers.
Oh, now it's time to remove the chicken fingies.
Here is your reminder.
My chaotic cooking. You know what I'm actually gonna do? I'm gonna put the noodles directly into this to make sure. Parmesan. But what I want to do is I want to make sure that I'm not making too many noodles and not enough sauce. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I could probably use like a few more noodles. We'll let this cook on low. And then I'm bringing you back over here for chopping session. We're crooked. The next thing we're gonna do is this, which is the cheesy Texas toast, 5 cheese. We're gonna bake it at 425 for 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna make 4 of these. Well, I'll probably only have 1, so I'll make 3. I'm sure Sadie will have 2. And then Kyle's can be made fresh when he's on his way home. I'm gonna go ahead and add the nuggets to our Alfredo sauce. Whoop, shit, dropped one. Oh, got another runner. Damn it. Okay, this obviously wasn't the smartest way to go about this, but I'm trying here, folks. Oh! Damn it. Well, I got myself a little bit of a mess to clean up, but let's stir this together to make sure that we still need noodles. All right, I'm drinking some water. I'm gonna sit until the oven is ready, and then we're gonna put in the bread, but I'm gonna keep stirring this and she's gonna be done before we know it. And then I think I'm gonna save the living room for tomorrow. I'll save the bedroom for tomorrow because I don't want to do it. I'm so hot. Yeah, so I'm gonna save a few things for tomorrow, which will come on Friday's vlog. But yeah, I'll be back. Yum. Ran out of storage for a second, so sorry about that. Let's try it again. So I'm gathering my noodles. Find a little piece of chicken here. Okay. Oh my god, that's so good. Let's try a bite of our bread, which I know is gonna be good, but look how pretty that is. Oh my god, it's so good. Alright, dinner was amazing. I think I'm gonna end this here. I am so tired. I haven't felt the best all day. I just feel very blah, and like I keep getting waves of like nausea. Could be the Manjaro, could just be I'm sick. I don't know, but I'm just not feeling great. So I am going to end this here. So I guess I will, excuse me, I guess I will see you all on Wednesday. No, you're seeing this on Wednesday. I will see you again on Friday morning at like 6 in the morning. That's when they go live on Fridays. All right, I will see you guys later.